fucking Seller K.
Hustling for better days, huh? I be literally minding my own business, but zondawo abahlezi babheka impilo yami. I might as well make him my eyewitness. Moshiya nendaba exoxwayo engaphelele, babuza imibuzo engenaziphendula. Odakeni siminyaminya kaphithizela, imcabango iphithana ngibashiye bebuzana. Ngabe usethathile ukuphila na, hence I'm way ahead of him. Washiye bedodoba since I'm hustling for better days.
Okay, izingane zingithanda ngathi ngifuthi X. Niggas are cry so blame me, but I can't. Cause I'm mingi goats, yeah. And my township niggas just say, y'all have it fit on me. This shit is spelled on me. Look me dog, I make this. Yeah, I don't have a time to make love. I have a time to make man. So me I wait Monday to till Sunday. I'm living free life. I'm living free life. My chain is free like a Polish gun. I'm hustling for better days at heaven. Me boy, I'm shine like this. Really woman, I got this shit on me. This shit is spelled on me. They call me Chris over cause of me. I'm roll this over me. Boy, I'm pull up with SL Range Rover.
Nigga lomtsofu ngiphafele kwekho phuma ebhitsayo nimpili belikhuni mina uzwelithini letha lomkhondo ulise lempilo ucathi siyadlala masifuna lesaka siphathe igatara sivusa igomora lana kuyafiwa uma ufuna lekusasa semathuneni ngime neghost nginike lo mntwana ngimfake lo dosi ngekho zongimela ngiphethe negona ulethe le dosa ngishise le mbosi pili tsafi funa le gora.
Oh my god, fuka sophanda my chance. Impili rough, kwaze kwa tough, thina songena kuvaliwe. Sifuna lo mnotho ngenkani, jabe nomthakathi.
Hlezi ngizama bangibiza ule hasi, hlezi ngizama njalo nje. Kosibuka imizamo yami, kosifeza imizamo yami. Always phanda ngizama impilo. Social life, sales baningi.
Nigga, I bow down, asking for soft life. I got no change, I became a dog. It wasn't my fault, nigga. All I need, bang ifuni is up.
Tina sophumela singenalutho, just ukuzama is a great thing. Bosibhalele naye imizamo yethu, soft life yebo udlule bebaningi, but make a dream to come true. Impilo inzima ngiyacaba, noma bekhuluma kusodwala.